Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I have this piece of board and I cut piece of it. That's a little piece I cut off it. And over here guys, I have these two pieces of mirror, 1 2, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue them on. All right, so we're gonna come over here, and what I'm gonna use today, I'm gonna use my silicone, a little bit of this and a little bit of this. I'm just gonna put them all over it. All right, so we're gonna glue it, and then I'm gonna paint the sides. I'm gonna glue one at a time. I'm gonna add my silicone, some here, some here. My Gorilla Glue. And I'm gonna put some E6000. I want it to hold, I don't want it to fall off. Alright guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Alright guys, I lay it down and I'm gonna glue this part in, and then I'll come back. This is the other part, and I'm gonna flip it over just the same. So guys, this is it, and basically you just want to make sure they meet. You don't have to meet them guys, but I'm gonna put them together. And you want to make sure it's even. All right, once you have it like this, you want to put something down 12 to 24 hours. You want it to dry before you make it stand up. All right, and in the meantime, I'm gonna paint this in some silver and glitter. And after guys, you want to go around with your measuring tape, make sure all the sides are even. And these parts are even as well. It's dark, but I'm gonna use this acrylic paint, a little bit of glitter, my bowl, my Mod Podge. I'm gonna mix all together, and then I'm gonna paint right around. Alright guys, I'm gonna paint all of this like that. Then I'm gonna let it dry. Then I'm gonna repeat it. Now it's another day, and this is it guys. The paint dry and everything. Now guys, what I'm gonna do, I got these from AliExpress, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line the edge right around. on this side now, guys, I'm going to use this kind of rhinestone mesh on it. I'm gonna do the rest of it all around and then I'll come back. The next step, I have some of these. I got them from the dollar store, $1.25 a pack. These are the bigger ones, and I got this mixed size from Walmart, and I'm just gonna fill all of these spaces, and I'm gonna use my E6000 for this one. And I'm gonna take focus. I'm gonna take some small one, and you wanna fill the corners in like so. Something like so, guys, and I want to use different sizes. All right, guys, I'm gonna fill the entire thing just like that, and then I'll come back. And guys, this is it. This is the detail on it. Super pretty. Who's that in my video? It's super pretty. Say hi.
Bonjour. Je suis.
All right, guys, and that's it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. I just love the details on the side. And that's my DIY mirror for you guys. Happy birthday. And I just put it in the corner here, and then I set this right here.